Good morning, children. Sairam. How are you? I hope you all are fine, safe at your places. Children, welcome back once again. Children, in my last video, we have completed chapter number 5, Advanced Features in MS Access. Today, we will start chapter number 6, Queries, part 1. Children, in this chapter we will cover the following topics. The first topic is what is query, and then we will discuss about setting a relationship between tables. Okay, clear children? Now children, the database of any organization may contain huge amount of data. It may consist of multiple tables. When the number of records in a table increases, it becomes uphill task for any user to extract specific record from a table. Okay children? Children, you all know MS Access provide you a solution for this problem through queries. Okay children? Clear? Now children, first of all, query. Children, query is a database object that helps you to retrieve and view information from one or more database tables that meet a specific condition or criteria you define. Children, the information retrieved from on the basis of specific criteria in a query is stored in a specific table called query table. Clear children? Okay. Now children, what is query? Children, a query is like a simple question that you ask to find specific information from the database. Children, you can use queries to view, change, summarize and analyze specific data in different ways. Okay children? Clear? Now children, in our daily life, we make several type of queries to get specific information. For example, children, which students are scoring above 85% marks? Which student live in sector 4 Chandigarh? And as so on. Children, you can make quick decisions depending on that criteria. Okay children? Now children, you can see one example. Suppose in the students information table you have record of class 12th as well as class 10th students. Suppose you want to extract the records of only class 12th students or the record of class 10th students scoring more than 90 marks. You can find this with the help of queries. Okay children? Clear? Children, in queries are made on tables and result of query is also displayed in the form of table. Okay? The result which you get in group of rows and columns with the set of records that matches the given condition. Okay? Children, MS Access provides the various types of queries. Number 1, select, parameter, cross-tab, action query and SQL query. Okay children? Now children, you can see the screen. This is the screen of student information table. Students information table. Children, this is the table of student information. This is the field name, roll number, name, address, city, class, marks. percentage and grade. This is the column and this is the whole record of this roll number 11,234. Okay children, clear? Now children, come to the next topic, setting a relationship between tables. Children, to create relationships, make two table, one with the name students table that hold the information about the students such as roll number, names, class, address and city. These fields are in student table, and the other with the name of math table. This math table holds the information about the students' roll number, marks, percentage and grade in math table. Children, open one of them in datasheet view. Okay children? Now children, look at the screen. You can see this is the student table. Here the field name is roll number, name, class, address and city. And this is the record for a particular roll number. Okay? Now children, look at the screen. You can see this is the maths table. Here also the field name is roll number, marks, percentage and grade. And this is the whole record for the particular roll number. Okay. Now children, after these two tables, student table and math table, show the table dialog box. This is the show the table dialog box. Table, query and both. Whatever you want to select. Suppose we have to select this department and click on this button add. Children, these steps is also available in your computer book. You can discuss this topic in your computer book. Okay children? Now children, look at the screen. This is the table added to the relationship. Children, in this table added to the relationships, two tables are there. This is a maths table and this is a student table. These are the field name and these are the students field name. Okay, you can add it according to their relationship. Okay children? Children, this is the options available, height table, direct or relationship. Okay. Now children, come to the note. Children, these how to make the queries, the steps are also available in your computer book in chapter number 6. Now children, come to the note. Children, activate the queries tab if your relationships are based on queries or activate both if relationships are based on both tables and queries. After relationship has been created between two tables, you must delete the relationship before you make modifications to the fields on which relationship is based. Children, to delete a relationship, click the line that connect the tables and press the delete key. Okay children? Now children, we will meet soon in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself.